is commissioning just 24 coaches, each one built to the Drifter Coachcraft standard, each one a collaboration, each one unrepeatable. This is Primara, coach number 1. Kathy is a retired corrections officer who knew exactly what she didn't want: a generic RV that forces life to fit the floor plan. She wanted something built around how she actually lives. Long stretches of road, national parks, months at a time. Her German Shepherd always along for the ride. She went to RV shows, she looked at what was out there, and in the end, she decided to build. Primara rides on a Ford Transit AWD extended high roof, finished in white. Up top, an FVCO roof rack with side ladder, a roof vent, and a nomadic awning with integrated lighting. For comfort across seasons, she's equipped with 48-volt nomadic cooling AC. And for life beyond the campground, full external electrical and plumbing hookups, plus an external solar port for longer stays off-grid. This coach wasn't designed for weekends, it was designed for distance. The rear of this coach is where intention meets real life. On the driver's side, an EcoFlow power kit with a 10 kilowatt-hour battery system, serious capacity for extended travel. On the passenger side, plumbing and core utilities, including a 30-gallon fresh water tank and the Timberline hydronic heating system for interior warmth and hot water. And because Kathy travels with a large dog, the rear space was designed around that reality. A dedicated dog area under the bed with a raised bowl station that keeps the aisle clean and the space livable. Organized, not compromised. Early in the process, Kathy was leaning toward a single bed with a full wet bath in the rear. But as we worked through her real priorities, space for her dog, room for her bike, and the ability to host a guest, the layout came into focus quickly. The signature Drifter layout on the Transit Extended gave her the flow and flexibility she needed. A bench and table setup that converts into a second sleeping area. Smart, compact bathroom. A Trillino toilet paired with our Tetra flip-down shower system that delivers real comfort without sacrificing the garage volume she needed most. Nothing was added that didn't earn its place. The palette Kathy landed on is modern farmhouse, relaxed, warm, and uncluttered. Warm wood tones ground the space. Soft greens bring in color without weight. The goal was a quiet interior that still feels personal, a place that stays calm after long days outside. The kitchen is functional first, but finished. The lounge is open and ready for everyday use. And the rear stays organized, so the space lives as well on day 90 as it does on day 1. Coachcraft is the Drifter standard, a design-led approach where structure, systems, cabinetry, and interior design are developed together as one composition before anything reaches the production floor. Every owner works directly alongside our production designer, interior designer, and master builders. Nothing is an afterthought. It's designed that way from the start. Kathy, this is Primara, coach number 1 of 24.